Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be smashing an old phone that excuse me. Today I'm going to be smashing my old phone here that broke a month ago because the screen went out at me. And it's an LG AT&T phone. Don't know what the model number is, but I don't really care either. But we're going to smash it. So here we go. As you can see, I put it one crack there. Definitely. Now let's try to hit the camera. Ooh. Smash up the screen pretty bad. Well, let's keep smashing. Oh. Sorry. Whoa, and play. Pretty badly damaged. This phone will no longer work after what it's been through just now. I can always donate phones to the army, you see, because you can donate phones to the army, even broken ones like this, because they recycle them and reuse the parts, even though they're smashed, no matter what condition they're in. So those troops can call home, stuff like that. So we're going to smash it more, then we'll donate it. Let's smash the battery first, or wait. Let's see. Oh, battery got a dent in it. Oh well, who cares? We can still donate it. Let's see here. Ooh, buttons got pretty smashed. Let's see here. Can it still flip open and stuff? Let's see. Hardly can. Oh, crap. Shit. See, it can still close, but hardly any good. But, yeah, it can still kind of open. Oh, crap. This phone failed me in life, must admit. Keypad finally came out. Now, they can definitely use these to replace a pack on a phone, or the keypad. Hold on here. Get this off. Here we are. Here's the keypad. It's been ripped off, but still usable to some phone users. You'll always take the parts when you donate them. Well, let's see if we can smash this up a bit more. Oh, boy. That really hurt. I don't know how long it's going to take me to smash this more, but we should be done pretty soon because it's already smashed a good enough. This thing would definitely not work anymore if you have it like this. Alright, let's take a look. Shit. Trying not to hurt myself here. Don't want my mom mad at me. Let's see if we can't smash this up a bit more. Hold it. Where did it go? No, son of a bitch. Try and damage it to within a million pieces, which might take a while. Jeez, we only got a minute. Gotta hurry up. Well, would you look at that? Still some more. Only gonna get the main ones. Let's see any more over here. Here's a little piece. Right here. Whatever it is. There you go. That's all of them. Ta-da! That's the end. Bye.